Today, I'm going to talk about how to make a YouTube video without being seen. I get these questions once in a while. I don't like to be on screen. I'm not used to this, but I want to start a YouTube channel. Or I want to make a video, but I don't like the way I appear on screen, or I don't like my voice, and all those things that people are afraid of. I'm going to show you some of the ideas that you can use and maybe how you can get over these fears. My name is Brian Toder of briantoder.com, and I show people just like you how to finally make money online. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring that bell for the updates. There are a few reasons why people don't want to be on screen. And this doesn't include the people who are running from the law. If you're one of in that group, I can't help you. Just give up. So I have a few reasons written down. The first one, of course, is fear. The fear, though, is what are other people thinking about you, right? Isn't that what it is? When you're on screen, you're thinking, well, people might be thinking about me in such a way. One of the things that I learned years ago, because I used to be like that. I used to always be afraid what other people are thinking about me. And I realized a long time ago when I was on stage. I was a magician. I was a hypnotist on stage. I had to just give up my fear of what the audience is thinking of, what other people are thinking about. And nowadays, especially on social media, everybody has an opinion, right? If you are worried about what other people are thinking about you, you're never going to succeed ever. You might as well just dig a hole and jump in. So get over that. And it's easy for me to say that. I get it. Just don't worry about it. People will always say something. I'm sure people will say that about this video. People might say, you shouldn't have said this, or you shouldn't have said that, or I don't like your glasses, or you have a funny accent, and why do you always have these run-on sentences, and people, that's what people say to me. I don't really care. I really don't. So that's the first thing. The second thing is perfection, and I talked about this in a previous video. Perfection will just kill you with this. And let me just tell you, I've done so many videos already, and I've made so many mistakes. You have no idea. I remember there was a great video that I did. It was a great video, and I forgot a few things. I didn't have the light. Oh, the light was too bright. I remember that. And I tried it again, and the light was off. So it was really dark. Let me see if I can get it back. I did it again. It was like the third try. And let me see. My microphone was hanging on the stand. And I did this whole video, and I finally got it. And I looked down, and my microphone is all the way over there, which caused, put this back on, it caused an echo. And you know what? I just gave up. I thought, it's a damn good video. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what? There's an echo. I did a video yesterday, and there was so much glare on my face from the light. There's a light here. I had the overhead light, and so I think it was too bright. I looked at the video, and I thought, I have these white glaring spots all over me. But the video was damn good. And I just didn't want to do it again because the information was good. And already, and this was yesterday, people were already commenting that they learned from that video. So the point is, forget perfection. I edit these videos. If I stammer or stutter, which I do a lot, I'll I'll edit it out. If there's noises outside, there's noises outside right now. I might edit it out or leave it in. Don't worry about perfection. So let's talk about you and your face online. I have 3 ideas that can really help you. 2 of them are free and 1 is paid. And I'll talk about all 3 of them. And if you have any questions or concerns or problems, there's a section below this video. Put a comment in there. Put a question in there. Hey, Brian, I understand that, but I don't understand this. And I'll be able to help you. Really. I really do answer these questions. So let's start. So if you want to have a video without being on screen, this is what I would suggest. Just don't be on the screen. And you can talk about whatever you're talking about that's on the screen right now. For instance, this is one of my websites, the No Fear Zone. And let's say I wanted to talk about like social anxiety, which is basically what this is about. When you're talking about video, what other people are thinking about you, it's all about social anxiety. So if I wanted to talk about social anxiety, I could show you one of these videos that I have made. So it's what I do. So that's the first thing that I would recommend. If you want to talk about something but not being on the screen, well, this is the best way of doing it. The second best way of doing this is doing it with a small window. You could be all the way at the bottom, and it doesn't have to be big. And the nice thing is, well, this is where size matters. When the window is small, people can see you. Basically, they're looking at the screen, but they know that you're there. They're not really staring at you, especially if you're explaining something. So if you're talking about this, and then you're talking about this, and this and this and this, they're not looking at you. They're looking at the screen. So that's the second best way of doing this. So the first is don't be on the screen at all, or once you get used to this, and it really does take practice. It does. Get used to it, and once you are used to it, put yourself on the screen in a tiny little video shot. There you go. Now the next best way of doing this is, let's say you're talking about your website, and this is my website. You could just have a photo of yourself in the corner of the screen, because it's just a talking head like this. They don't need, unless you're doing something animated on your video, just have a photo of yourself in the corner of the screen, so they still know that it's you, but you could still do a voiceover like this. The third way to make a video on YouTube without being seen is using Content Samurai. Content Samurai is a truly wonderful app for your Mac or PC where you can make stunning videos like this one without being on screen. Neat, huh? You can use a photo of you
You can use other photos too that you can get for free using the Content Samurai app. And you can put videos on the screen too to make them come alive. Yes, Content Samurai isn't free, but it's not expensive at all. If you wanted a pro to do videos like these, you'd pay hundreds or thousands for such quality. If you want to take a look at Content Samurai, there's a link below this video to get it. And if you use that link, I can help you personally if you need some help with Content Samurai.
Well, there you have it. There's some ideas that you can use now to make these videos, upload them, and not even be on the screen. You'll start getting views, maybe you'll make some money doing this, but these are really good, workable ideas that will help you on your YouTube experience. My name is Brian Toder, briantoder.com, and I show people just like you how to finally make money online. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring that bell for the updates. And click that like button below this video. Do it now. I'll see you soon.